Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some leaked stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have a few leaked items along with some other things to look at, so let's go ahead and look at them. Alright, so first off, we have a slight change to the map. It was a little lighter color of green. It did look like this, but now it looks like this. Up there was this like luck icon added into the CDN, and this is actually going to be for an update that we are going to get with some new armor, which we are going to be looking at. Here is the first boot for it. The second one looks exactly the same. This is like the left boot, and then here's the right boot, and then we also have this boot. I'm not sure what this one is for, and then we have the right boot of it. We also have this wand. This so far is called Player Weapon 266. Here are the boots that we are going to be getting for this outfit, and then we are also going to be getting an outfit with it. This is going to go along with the hat that's already in the game, and this is what we are getting in the game. So we are going to be getting this robe, these boots. The wand is not in this image, but we are going to be getting that. And then I assume these St. Patrick's Day hat or whatever it's called is getting re-released because they're pretty much making a full new set for it. They're also adding a relic for it, but it looks like it's called Icon Spell Relic 54. I think this might be in game. My game is being really glitchy right now, but we'll try and go and look. So if we go to relics, it might be there. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't looked. Yeah, I don't think it is. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that is added today. Sorry if this video is a little rushed. I have to go in a bit, or like pretty soon. So yeah, sorry if this video is not edited at all. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.